Okay, so for the first one, number 5, I basically just selected 4 types of problems for you to work on. Bottom line is, if you can't work these 4, they've got brothers and sisters, and you'll see those on Monday, okay? So if you can work these 4, you're in a good spot.
Yeah, right. Well,
What?
because there's a lot more on the homework that aren't like that. Yeah.
You didn't let me finish.
Yeah.
You didn't let me finish. I said if you can work these 4, you're in a good spot, but you still have work to do. Okay?
Just keep in mind they have testings.
So, let's get an appropriate marker. And we're going to go factoring all 3 pieces. The last one's already factored. So x cubed plus 1 is going to be x plus 1. X squared minus x plus 1 over x plus 1, x plus 2 times x plus 3, x plus 1 over x plus 3. Now, when you factor this way, you know, people will say, well, you didn't show us how to factor. Yeah, that was chapter 6. Okay? What cancels?
Where did the 2 come from? Yeah,
JK. Sorry. I was just playing a country song in my head. Wife left me. Dog got killed.
Drink a beer.
Drink a beer. All right. Sorry, that's on tape for those of you listening at home. You have no idea what we're talking about. Drink a beer. All right. X plus 1 cancel. X plus 1 cancel. X plus 3 cancel. Leaving you with x squared minus x plus 1. Okay, any questions on that? Here, we're going to factor x minus 3, x plus 2. So we got x over x minus 3, x plus 2, minus 2 over x plus 3, x minus 3. Now, one of the things I see here that people do is they find the common denominator is x minus 3, x plus 2, x minus 3, or x plus 3. And then they multiply through and they cancel all the fractions. You can't do that because there's no equal to. Okay? So, what you have to say is, I've got the x minus 3, the x plus 2, what am I missing? I'm missing the x plus 3. If I put it on bottom, I must also put it over here. I've got the x plus 3, x minus 3. What am I missing? All right, put them all together into one big fraction. What do we get? X plus 3 minus 2 x plus 2 over x minus 3 x plus 2 x minus x plus 3. I will write them as one fraction first before I distribute. That way I can make sure that I get this sign distributed the way it's supposed to. That sign is the number one area I see that people mess up. And I say that knowing right now that somebody's going to screw that up on Monday. I don't know who yet. You can raise your hand if you think it's going to be you. Okay. I had a few ideas, by the way. But so many times I see people miss this because they put plus 4, not minus 4. Okay. All right, which gives us a final answer of x squared minus x minus 4 over x minus 3 x plus 2 x plus 3. Okay. Going once, going twice. Oh yeah, this one kicked you in the rear end.
Yeah, there's a problem with the small mistake.
I would make this the bonus question for the day, but since the answer's on the back, I guess a lot of people probably got it right. Unless you carried on, and you're still 17. You're still doing the right things. Good. 1 over x plus 1 over y squared. X plus 1 over y. We focus. This is over 1, right? Now, some of you are going like this. Whoa, 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 what the hell? I thought that thing moved to the bottom. Right, Bianca? Didn't it move to the bottom?
It goes to the bottom of its own.
You see, it doesn't go to the bottom like that. If this were x to the negative 1, y to the negative 2, x, y to the negative 1, then it would go top and bottom the way you think it should.
See, now that makes sense.
But because there's a plus sign in there, that changes the whole game. Mm-hmm. Now, what's your common denominator? Whoa, 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 there's a question. Yes. Shh, 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 shh. I moved them. X to the negative 1 is 1 over x. Y to the negative 2 is 1 over y squared. Of course. So that's how. If it's on top, it goes to the bottom. If it's on bottom, it goes to the top. Now, your common denominator is xy squared. So we're going to go xy squared here, xy squared here, xy squared here, xy squared here. And what you're going to get is the x and the x cancel. Y squared plus y squared cancel, you get x over x squared y squared plus xy. At that point, you'll stop because that's as far as it will go. Yeah. It's actually not that bad once you get to where you need to be. Okay.
There's, like, after we do number 30, there's questions on the back, like 36.
You don't have to worry about this.
Wait, what was the answer?
It's y squared plus x.
It's y squared plus x
Plus xy.
over x squared y squared plus xy.
Is there echo in here?
There is. All right. Common denominator. ABC. Don't you dare, Carrie.
I said it in my head.
BC
It's okay, those are less.
minus AC equals AB. What are we solving for? So there's an A here. And there's an A here, yes? We can't just solve for one of them. We got to solve for both of them. So we need them on the same side. So in order to get them on the same side, add AC. Add AC.
Always find a common enemy, which in this case is
AB plus AC. Factor out the A, B plus C. Divide by B plus C, divide by B plus C, and you have your answer. BC over B plus C. Okay. Say that again, please.
I said, like, where did you get BC from? Cause, you know.
This BC here. If you multiply by the common denominator, it's ABC. The A cancels, you're left with BC. The B cancels, you're left with AC. The C cancels, you're left with AB. That's where the BC came from. Okay. Other questions?